Hello, everyone. Good morning. This is a Martin Luther King weekend on a Sunday morning. I wanted to do a quick video to show you how easy it is to create a deal pages in our CRM. We are actually launching a new project end of this month. It's called Aspen Reserve in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. And then today I'm going to sit down and create a new deal page or a landing page for people to come and learn about this project. Right? So often what we rely on is, we have to create a new page. We have to wait for your BA or a web developer to design them. It takes a long time and money. But here I'm going to show you how easy it is to do it in our thing. So first thing I want to show you is this is a deal which we did last year. This is the deal page we designed in our own system. You can see it was Jefferson Reserve. The current one is also in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, the same team. So it makes it much easier for me. So this is how the landing page looks. It's a webinar, different videos. We say what the returns are. We have a soft commit button or reserve your spot button. They take you to the same place. And then investment summary, download deck. And then we talk about, hey, what's good about Sioux Falls, how this business plan works, and then again we talk about some actual data about Sioux Falls. One more time, we say download the deck here, and then the team. Of course, it becomes very important. And then frequently asked questions. So again, another call to action button here, project timeline, and then actual form here. The call to action buttons actually will direct towards this form, and then of course disclosures and disclaimers here. Okay, so I want to recreate this page. How long do you guys think it's going to take me? So I'm going to show you how easy it is to do. So I'm going to go into my CRM. So these are called funnels. Funnels are single pages which has one and only one aim. Here, when they come to the deal page, we want them to soft commit for this deal. So we have created a funnel for that. So we are seeing the front end of it. This is called Jefferson Reserve funnel. So that's what you're seeing here, the actual funnel deal page. So I'm going to now have to create Aspen Reserve funnel, right? So similar page, but I'm going to update the data, the slide deck, everything for the Aspen Reserve. So it's very easy. So this was done in August of last year. I'm going to just click on this three dots here and then say clone. Okay, and then we can say just change the name, Aspen Reserve, and then confirm. So let's see how many seconds it takes to recreate that whole page. Okay, so the Aspen Reserve page, January 14th, is created, right? We call it Aspen Reserve. Now what I do is I just click on that. This is our backend where you can go and edit it. So the whole page is here. I just click on edit. And then these are all the same things. Instead of Jefferson Reserve, I'm going to say Aspen Reserve, and then just start editing these. Here, I'll update the link to this video. So if you go here, if I click on the video, it's basically a YouTube link. So I'm going to just update the URL, and then this is going to update. The same thing for these. I'm just going to update the URL for all these videos, and then make sure the IRR is correct. So I just click on there, start editing, click on here, editing, right? So there's nothing special involved here. I can change anything I want here. Soft commit, form, reserve. And then here, the forms are all going to remain the same. I don't have to do anything with the forms. And of course, I go through each and every line, make sure it's applicable to this deal. And then I save. And then I can even publish. Let me make sure I have the right extension or the URL address before we publish it, so that I can show you guys how it looks on the other end. I'm going to come out of this. Okay, so I'm going to go to the settings and make sure instead of Jefferson, I'm going to say Aspen, and then go to REIDOCcapital.com. I have multiple websites connected here, passiveinvestingchecklist.com, but this is the one. This is a subdomain of my main site. And then I'm going to save it. And then let's actually go and publish it and then see if it is live already. So it has taken me less than 5 minutes to do it while I'm recording a video for you guys. So I'm going to publish this and then see if it works. So it should say go.reidoccapital.com and then Aspen. There it is. So the entire page is actually live right now. Of course, I'm going to go back and update all the links and everything. I didn't want to bore you guys how I do it, but that's going to take another 10 minutes for me to update all the details. And then this is live. I can just copy this and then send it to my investors or potential investors. And then what happens? So the other thing is, of course, the deal page is ready, But we also have some automations on the back end, right? When they reserve, what happens, those kinds of things. We have to, we send this deal page to all our investors. So we send like 3 emails before webinar, 3 emails after webinar to invest. So we actually created that for the last investment, which is Jefferson Reserve. So we can actually use the same automations. I'm going to click on automation. And I'll show you what the automations we used for Jefferson Reserve. Oh, did I miss it? So Jefferson Reserve deal automations. Okay, deal emails, right? Soft commit submission, those kinds of things. So you can just go to deal emails here and then just replace all these things, right? All these emails with a new deal. Okay, and then go and edit the emails in the template and then make this automation live again and then use it for the current ones. Email, SMS, email, those kinds of things. So I can use all those stuff for this deal. So I just have to update the details there. So it's going to be, again, very quick, not going to take a lot of time. So each deal I do, I just basically recycle the same automation, same deal pages I have, and get it done quickly. So hopefully that gives you guys how to easily use the system for your next deal.